Lloyds Bank Share Dealing App. The pros, the cons. If you bank with Lloyds and want to invest in shares, their share dealing app seems convenient. But how well does it really perform? Starting with the pros: integration. Your Lloyds accounts connect seamlessly, making transfers and fund management straightforward. Second, accessibility. The app allows buying and selling shares and it's quickly, ideal for casual investors or beginners. Third, clear pricing. Commission structures and fees are displayed upfront, avoiding surprises. Now, the cons. Limited research tools. Advanced analytics and stock screening features are minimal, which can frustrate active investors. Another drawback: slower execution compared to specialized trading platforms. Day traders may find this a limitation. The surprising truth? Lloyds share dealing is perfect for casual investors seeking convenience, but not for serious traders needing advanced tools or speed. In short, the pros: account integration, accessibility, and transparent fees make it a solid choice for Lloyds customers starting investing. The cons: limited analytics and execution speed mean it's less suited for active or professional traders.